Chapter 6, Congruence and Similarity. And we will start to 6.1, Congruence. Now, two figures are said to be congruent, okay, if they are of the same shape and size. So what's the meaning of congruent? It means that they are exactly the same. Therefore, over here, I've also highlighted exactly of the same shape and size. Okay, so make sure you highlight these three sets of keywords. Let's look at the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, now these two triangles are exactly the same, so we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, now when they are the same or congruent, what does it mean? Let's look at the sides first. Okay, when they are congruent, okay, it means that corresponding sides are equal. Okay, so an example is given to you here that AB, okay, is also equals to PQ. So these two sides are corresponding. Okay, that means they are the same side of the triangle. That's why they are equal. Now, just to test you, can you state another pair of lines that are exactly the same? Okay, so you may want to pause the video at this point in time to try to figure out which two lines are the same or equal. Okay, so I hope you have paused the video and now I will review the answer. Okay, so the next set, okay, will be BC equals to QR. So you can see this line BC, okay, is exactly the same as QR because they are the corresponding sides. Okay, and the last one, I hope you are able to see it now because this is the last side of the triangle. It will be AC, which is equal to PR. Okay, so take note, we have indicated the corresponding sides with the stroke here. Okay, AB and PQ, we put it as one stroke. When BC and QR, they're the same, we put it as two strokes. And AC equals to PR, we put it as three strokes. Okay, now other than the sides, okay, the angles are also equal, but take note, only corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so what does it mean? We look at here. Angle ABC is equals to angle PQR. Okay, now ask yourself this question. Is angle AB, sorry, it's not ABC, PQR. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one, but here, angle ABC, which is the red one, the red angle, is equals to angle PQR, the red angle again. Okay, so let me ask you this question. Is angle BAC, which is this single stroke angle, is this equal to angle PQR? Look at these two angles. Are they equal? Okay, so you can take a minute, pause the video, and think about it. Are they equal? All right. So I hope you have paused the video. Now, take note, they are not equal, and the reason is because these two angles are not the corresponding angle. Okay, so that is the reason why they are not equal. And take some time to pause the video again and try to identify two other pairs of angles which are equal. Okay, so the second pair of angles which are equal will be, let me show you here. Okay, angle BCA, which is the green ones, the green lines. Angle BCA is equals to angle QRP. Okay, and the last pair will be angle CAB, which is equals to angle RPQ over here. Okay, so just take note of that. Now for the conclusion, these triangles are congruent. Therefore, we can write, okay, we can write this down. That triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Just take note of the sign. Instead of an equal sign, it should be a sign with three lines, three horizontal lines. This will indicate that these two triangles are exactly the same. In other words, they are congruent. Okay, now can you express this using another way? The answer is definitely yes. Okay, because you can change the orientation. Okay, so another way to write it will be angle BCA is congruent to angle QRP. or sorry, triangle CAB is congruent to triangle RPQ. Once again, please take note of the sign here. It should be of 3 horizontal lines instead of just the equal sign, okay, to show that they are congruent.